Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in the last class, we have discussed about these options for the visual effects. As you can see, we have already discussed about these options, that how you can use these. So now we are going to move to the transition section. So let's go to the transition section. I'm gonna zoom out. So I'm gonna zoom out. So what we have to do, we have to click on this and the timeline will be zoom out. So I'm gonna cut here. So we have to press the S and the video will be split. Now we have to press the S here again. So I'm gonna cut this here again. And after that, let's click on this and press the cut. And now click on this and press the S. As you can see, there's a simple option that transition. We can use the transition where two video get joined. So if you want to use this one, this one, you can see the preview of the transition. For example, I'm going to use this one. You have to drag this here, and now you can play the video.
Embassy has actually moved out their own guards out in.
So as you can see here, you will see a lot of transitions. So for example, I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to drag this here, and now here's another transition. So I'm going to drag this here again. So let's click on this, and now if you want to use this one or this one, it's up to you. So as you can see, here's the video, and now if you want to play this,
Embassy has actually moved.
so in this is working, and now let's play this here. So as you can see, these are a lot of transitions here. For example, you want to use this one, then you have to drag this here. If you want to increase the time and duration, you can also do that. You just have to make it zoom and it will work simply. So let's drag this here again. And now as you can see, it will work.
However, we're not showing it. Initially, though, it was live streamed by Bush. Now,
so as you can see, it's working like that. Now if you want to use this one, drag this here and now play this.
however, we're not showing it. Initially, though, it was live streamed.
So as you can see, it's working. So in this way, you can add the transitions in your video. You just have to drag these transition where the video have the cut and where the video are joining, and the transition will be applied automatically. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can apply the transitions on your video in Camtasia. So see you guys in the next video.